First off, that big challenge. How do you even begin to figure out what's happening on a really busy network? It feels like trying to listen to every single conversation in a huge city at once.
Impossible, right? This is where something like Cisco's NetFlow comes in. It's pretty fundamental.
Yeah, absolutely. NetFlow, it's a network protocol. Cisco developed it originally. Its main job to collect IP traffic information. Think of it like a super detailed logbook. It records these digital packets, these tiny pieces of information as they go into or out of a network interface. And its uses are broad. I mean, network traffic analysis, planning network capacity so things don't get clogged up, and of course, security monitoring. It basically gives the network a voice.
A voice? I like that. So it's not just seeing blips on a screen. It's more like getting a real-time report on what's being discussed. But how does that turn into something actionable for the person managing it all? What insights does NetFlow actually give them?
Okay, well, one of the first things admins often look at are the top 10 talkers. NetFlow identifies the 10 specific devices or hosts sending the most traffic. Pretty straightforward. But the interesting part is why that's useful. Yes, performance optimization, sure, but it's also critical for spotting weird stuff. Like, imagine one computer suddenly jumps to the top of that list when normally it's quiet, or an app starts hogging bandwidth. That could be anything from a simple misconfiguration or something worse, like malware phoning home, maybe.
Ah, okay, so it's an early warning system too.
Exactly. It lets admins pinpoint and fix things before they become huge problems. Then you've got the top 10 protocols. NetFlow tells you which types of traffic are using the most bandwidth based on the protocol, like TCP, UDP, ICMP. These are like different languages data packets use, each suited for different things.
Right, like streaming versus email or something.
Precisely. So knowing this helps admins understand what is consuming the resources. Maybe there's a huge spike in UDP traffic. Could be legitimate streaming, maybe gaming. Or it could be part of an attack, like a DNS amplification attack. So this insight helps them adjust network rules, troubleshoot issues tied to specific services.
Okay, got it. Talkers, protocols, what else?
And the top 10 conversations. This shows the 10 pairs of devices talking to each other the most by volume. This is really powerful stuff. You can optimize how specific systems interact, troubleshoot slow conversations between, say, a server and a client, and again, security, spotting unusually high-volume chats between hosts that normally don't talk much. That's a red flag.
Like that intense conversation in a back alley you mentioned earlier?
Kind of like that, yeah, in the digital city.
So bringing this back to the listener,